Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open up our fuel injectors. So we're going to go ahead and unbox the fuel injectors. I'll show you what this comes with. So here's the fuel injectors. They're in a nice a plastic case. And it says Fuel Injector Clinic on it. I have not opened these yet. I also purchased pigtails for the fuel injectors. You can get these at Fuel Injector Clinic as well. So they plug into the new injector right here. And this is the old, I think it's Multec 2 injector harness for the vehicle itself. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to open this box up and we're going to look at the new injectors here. Alrighty, so get that partial cut, we'll open them up. Here's the new injectors. So here they are. And these are specifically for the, I guess you could call it Gen 3 truck 99 to 06 LS base. So we got the injectors here. And then we got information about the injectors itself. I bought 525 cc's. Here's all the matching and everything, what they're rated for. Data match. And we'll go through that too. So cool. Got a little sticker from them. And a card here. Plug and play tuning data for your factory GM ECU. And that's all on the website. And I could show you here in a minute how to get that data. And we'll go ahead and get these installed. These go to your injectors itself. And they'll plug in like this. Okay. All plugged in. We'll go ahead and get these installed in the truck.